Sa likod ng kulay at saya ng Ho Chi Minh City ay ang kanilang nakaraan na kailanman ay hindi malilimutan. Sa video na ito, tuklasin natin ang masalimuot na kaganapan dito sa Ho Chi Minh City noong unang panahon. Kapag pumunta kayo dito sa War Remnant Museum ay kailangan niyong bumili ng ticket at ito ay nasa halagang 40,000 Vietnamese dong. Ang War Remnant Museum ay merong indoor at outdoor site. Ito ay matatagpuan sa 28 Bo Van Tan in District 3, Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. Ang makikita naman natin sa outdoor sightseeing area ay ang mga old war equipment such as planes, tanks, and artillery weapon. The War Remnant Museum in Ho Chi Minh City focuses mainly on the Vietnam War but also in French Indochina War. It is the unique museum in Vietnam to systematically study, collect, conserve, and display exhibit on war crimes and consequences inflicted on the Vietnamese people by foreign aggressive forces. Ang museum na ito ay consist ng maraming vehicles, objects, and images of Vietnam War. In the outdoor area ay makikita ang well-known UH-1 helicopter which is starring in many Vietnam films and series. Sa tabi ng UH-1 helicopter ay makikita din ang CH-47 at AT-37 Dragonfly. At kasama ding makikita ang Northrop F-5 and a Douglas A-1 Sky Raider. Makikita din dito sa outside site area ang mga tiger cages na ginagamit naman nila para i-tortured ang mga prisoner. Meron din silang tinatawag na sandbat cell. 60 cells have no ceiling and are called sandbat cell, which are used to torture prisoner by making them sandbat themselves. Tiger cage or tiger cages used by Vietnamese to confine prisoners of war during the Vietnam War. Meron din ditong two-story house na kung saan pag umakyat ka sa taas makikita mo yung mga prisoner na naka-confine sa loob. Ganito ang itsura kapag nandito ka na sa taas. So makikita nyo sa ilalim yung kalagayan ng bawat prisoner. Ayan, gumagamit din sila ng mga 3D paint para magmukha siyang tunay. Pero meron silang sample na tunay dito. Yan, katulad itong first cell na ito. Yan, makikita nyo merong mannequin sa ilalim. Gumagamit din sila ng iron grill, another torture equipment, where prisoner would take off their clothes and roll on it. Given the hook, skin would be easily turned. It's amazing how creative human can be when it comes to showing their sadism and powers against the vulnerable. Ipinapakita naman dito ang isang prisoner na nasa isang cell na kung saan siya ay injured. And next, pasok naman tayo dito sa indoor site area nila. At para mas lalo nating maintindihan itong tour na ito, pwede pala kayong mag-rent ng audio guide sa halagang 80,000 Vietnamese dong. Pero kailangan din nating magbigay ng 500,000 Vietnamese dong as deposit na pwede nating kunin pagkatapos nating ibalik yung audio guide. At tara, pasok na tayo! The War Remnant Museum holds immense historical significance to the brutal realities of the Indochina War and the impacts on the Vietnamese people. There are nearly 1,500 artifacts, photos, documents, and videos on permanent display inside the building. More than 1,500 artifacts and photos are displayed in the museum. Idinokumento rin ng museyong ito ang French colonial and its conflict with China. The exhibit in this museum includes the disturbing pictures of war atrocities, vivid portrayals of the sufferings endured by the Vietnamese. Up next is the war crimes section. This section highlights the devastating impact of the war. including the effects of chemical warfare and the use of Agent Orange. It showcases photographs, testimonies, and exhibits that shed light on the long-term health and environmental consequences of the war. Up next, Requiem. Ang Requiem collection conveys a message of blood and tears and uncovers the misery caused by the war of foreign forces in Vietnam. This is the image of Echinosis camera, a relic preserved as part of a family shrine in Kyushu, Japan. You will see also the photos of a Vietnamese mother and her children wade across a river to escape bombs from a US airstrike. And it was owned by Kyoichi Sawada. Dito sa area na ito ay itinampok ang mga photojournalist na namatay nung panahon ng gyera. Narito ang ilan sa mga photographs na kuha nila habang sila ay sumasama sa mga gyera upang ma-document ang mga pangyayari. Up next, ang war crime section. The exhibit also showed the destruction caused by napalm bomb and the devastating effects of Agent Orange. Makikita din dito ang My Lai Massacre is a war crime committed by the United States Army on March 16, 1968, in which involving the mass of unarmed civilians in province of South Vietnam. Ipinapakita ng museum na ito ang malupit at brutal na epekto ng gyera sa mga tao. Up next ay ang napalm bombing. Ito ang isang larawan ng isang Vietnamese girl running naked from a bombing campaign using napalm. Napalm had seared the girl's skin. She is running on a road with other screaming Vietnamese children followed by armed soldiers. And next ay ang Agent Orange. Agent Orange was a herbicide and defoliant used in Vietnam. Agent Orange was a blend of tactical herbicide that the US military sprayed from 1962 to 1971 during Vietnam War para tanggalin yung mga leaves ng mga trees and other dense tropical foliage that provided enemies cover. Ayon sa government of Vietnam, na halos 4 na milyon ang kanilang citizen ang na-expose sa Agent Orange, and as many as 3 million have suffered illness because of it. As you walk through the War Remnant Museum, you'll see the haunting photographs and personal stories that reveal the suffering endured by multiple generations. Dito mo maiintindihan kung gaanong sugat ang iniwan nitong Agent Orange sa mga Vietnamese people. Dito naman sa baba ng museum ay ipinapakita ang ganitong mga kagamitan. Ito ay parachute na ginamit noong panahon. Dito itinatali at inilalagay ang kanilang pagkain pati na ang kanilang mga medicine. At may mga ilan-ilan pang mga kagamitan na pwede nyong tingnan at basahin ang mga history. Talagang makabagbag damdamin ang history ng Vietnam. Kaya kapag kayo ay napabisita dito sa may Saigon or sa Vietnam Ho Chi Minh, huwag niyong kalimutang bisitahin itong War Remnant Museum. At sa panghuli ay maaari naman kayong mamili ng souvenirs na pwede nyong makita dito sa loob ng War Remnant Museum. Ito yung sa side na to. Hanggang dito na lang muna ang aming video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and pakihit na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa bagong mga videos na i-upload namin. Bye!